The greatest religion is to be true to your own nature. Have faith in yourself. Anything that makes weak, physically, intellectually, and spiritually, reject it as poison. Dare to be free. Dare to go as far as your thought leads, and dare to carry that out in your life. If money help a man to do good to others, it is of some value. But if not, it is simply a mass of evil, and the sooner it is got rid of, the better. You should work like a master and not as a slave. Work insistently, but do not do a slave's work. Throw away all weakness. Tell your body that it is strong. Tell your mind that it is strong. And have unbound faith and hope in yourself. Have faith in yourself. All power is in you. Even the poison of a snake is powerless if you can firmly deny. They alone live who live for others. Strength is life. Weakness is death. Expansion is life. Contraction is death. Love is life. Hatred is death. Meditation can turn fools into sages, but unfortunately, fools never meditate. The world is the great gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. All differences in this world are of degree and not of kind, because oneness is the secret of everything. Conquer yourself, and the whole universe is yours. Both attachment and detachment, perfectly developed, make a man great and happy. The whole secret of existence is to have no fear. Never fear what will become of you. Depend on no one. Only the moment you reject all help are you freed. Feel nothing, know nothing, do nothing, have nothing. Give up all to God and say utterly, Thy will be done. We only dream this bondage. Wake up and let it go. When you are doing any work, do it as worship and devote your whole life to it for the time being. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. The more we come out and do good to others, the more our hearts will be purified and God will be in them. That man has reached immortality who is disturbed by nothing material. Condemn none. If you can stretch out a helping hand, do so. If you cannot, fold your hands, bless your brothers, and let them go their own way.